Hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast on the YouTube channel Learning English Together. I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Bella. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes. Today's episode is Learn How to Talk About Yourself in English, Easy Introductions for Beginners.
This is great for beginners. Introducing yourself is one of the first things you need in English.
That's right. People often say, "Hi, tell me about yourself," or "Nice to meet you." Who are you?
Let's practice simple introductions. Alex, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from the United States. I live in New York.
Nice. Now my turn. Hello, I'm Bella. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto now.
Good. Where are you from? That's a common question.
Yes. You can say I'm from. And the country or city.
What about age? Some people ask, "How old are you?"
You can say I'm 28 years old, or just I'm 28.
I say, "I'm 30 years old." Age is easy.
Now, talk about your job. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English online.
Me too. I'm an English teacher. I work at a school.
Cool. You can say, "I work as a," or "I'm a student."
Yes. If you're a student, say I'm a student. I study business.
What about family? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one brother and one sister. They are older than me.
I have 2 sisters. No brothers. My family is small.
You can say I have. Or, I don't have any brothers.
Hobbies are fun to talk about. What do you like to do?
I like reading books and cooking. I cook Italian food.
Nice. I like playing soccer and watching movies.
Good. Say I like. Or, my hobbies are.
Favorites too. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
Green. Favorite food?
Pizza. Easy answer.
Mine is burgers. Everyone has a favorite.
Now, let's make a full introduction.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm 30 years old and from New York. I'm an English teacher. I have 2 sisters. In my free time, I like playing soccer and watching movies. My favorite food is burgers.
Great job. That was clear and simple.
Thanks. Now you, Bella.
Hello, my name is Bella. I'm from Canada, but I live in Toronto. I'm 28. I work as a teacher. I have one brother and one sister. My hobbies are reading and cooking. I love pizza.
Perfect. Short and nice.
Listeners, try it. Start with your name and where you're from.
Then add your job or school.
Family, hobbies, favorites.
Keep it simple. Use easy words.
Practice with a friend. Or say it out loud alone.
Common questions: what do you do? Answer, "I'm a doctor," or "I work in a shop."
Do you have any pets? I have a cat.
I have a dog. His name is Max.
Fun. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is an action movie.
Mine is a romantic comedy.
In class or at a party, start with "Hi, I'm." And smile.
Smiling helps, even on audio.
For beginners, repeat after us.
My name is.
I'm from.
I like.
Good practice.
Tell me about yourself is big in interviews too.
Yes. But keep it short. 2 or 3 minutes.
Focus on positive things.
Everyone, you can do this.
Practice every day. It gets easy fast.
Thank you for listening to Learning English Together.
We hope this helps you introduce yourself in English.
Try it today with someone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. Take care.
Read out loud. It helps speaking and thinking.
Watch TV shows with English subtitles.
Not your language subtitles.
First with subtitles, then without.
Friends or The Office are good. Simple conversation.
Avoid thinking I must be perfect.
Mistakes are okay. Native speakers make mistakes too.
The goal is to communicate, not perfection.
When you dream in English, you know you're improving.
It happened to me after 6 months.
Same for me. One day I noticed I was thinking in English.
Celebrate small wins.
Like today I ordered coffee in English without translating.
Or, I understood a whole song.
Keep going. Don't stop.
Consistency is the key.
10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Your brain needs daily practice.
Let's review the tips quickly.
1. Talk to yourself.
2. Change devices to English.
3. Listen every day.
4. Think simple thoughts in English.
5. Describe your surroundings.
6. Write a short diary.
7. Shadow native speakers.
8. Find a speaking partner.
9. Sing songs.
10. Stay positive and patient.
You can do this, everyone.
Start today. Pick 2 or 3 tips.
Tomorrow add more.
In 1 month, you'll feel the difference.
Your speaking will be faster and easier.
Thank you for listening to Learning English Together.
We hope these tips help you think in English.
Practice every day. You will improve.
Tell us in the comments which tip you will try first.
We read all comments.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.